Hello, Herbalife E&A Marketplace. This is for every single person involved in all the different markets in the E&A kind of area of the Herbalife world. I'm here to tell you I'm ready to do a very special training event for all of you, everybody on your team. April 28th, I'm going to be doing this event, and I'm going to teach you the entire recruiting process, how to find unlimited prospects, how to never run out of quality prospects to talk to, how to invite them so they understand what you have, how to present to them, how to follow up, answer questions, overcome objections, how to close, get them involved, enrolled in your business as customers or distributors, and how to get them started effectively, okay? The whole recruiting cycle I'm going to cover in 1 hour. So make sure you and your team are registered. April 28th is the day. It's 1 hour out of your life. Make sure your whole team's there. Whoever gets the most people on their team into this training is going to win. Okay. So make sure you're registered. Make sure you show up. Make sure your team does the same. And I'll see you there.